What up, it's Clear Movement. We better get into a beer tutorial. So subscribe, like, tune in, and check it out. Give me y'all feedback. Tell me what y'all think of the cut. Let's get it. I never really do no beards, but from what I've learned and from what I studied in like other videos, uh, just and how I felt it, it was just apply just enough pressure that you get the hair. Careful with that, and that's what I'm doing here. I'm in the inside part of the mustache. I'm just gonna line that up, make it look even with the with his mustache. He didn't want nothing trimmed on his beard, so I'm just gonna go ahead and line it up, just uh just a edge it pretty much. On the sides, he just said he to look natural. He wanted him to be so with the trimmer where the hair begins to grow, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do the mustache and under his chin. But right now I'm doing the top part, and he just wanted he just wanted a normal shape up on the beard, not too skinny, not too wide, so in in the medium range. So that's what I had and did, and on both sides made sure both look pretty even, similar to each other, and I just followed um his beard like where it naturally grows, and that's where I was just uh hitting the blade at. The sides are always fun because uh the client has decent enough hair to make a good outline, and then under the chin you're gonna try to brush the hair so it can stick out, and that's where you can do your line. Because if you don't brush it down, you're gonna miss a lot of hair, and you don't want to miss no hair because you don't want your client looking goofy out here. You gotta have your client always looking sharp. That says a lot about his barber. So remember, your work speaks for itself. So you gotta always try to do your best. And I will be uploading the fade I did on this canvas. He the haircut too. I'm just not done editing. I'm not done editing it yet, so the beard was shorter and easier to edit. So after I finish this one in a couple days or in a couple weeks, I'll get that haircut tutorial out as well. Let's just have at least 40 subscribers by the time I drop that next video. So yeah, let's get them subscribers up and them likes up.